திருநெல்வேலி மாவட்டம் செங்குளத்தில் நடைபெற்ற மாவட்ட குழு பயிற்சி கருத்தரங்கில் வருங்கால மாவட்ட ஆளுநர் சசிந்தா தர்மா சிறப்புரை ஆற்றினார்.
So we like to meet in these such events so that we'll be able to meet one another, talk to one another and discuss about our thoughts and views. And that is one of the most important point of coming for a district event. Friendship renew பண்றதுக்காக வேண்டி மெயினா வர்றோம். So I think during this period, this time, during the pandemic period also, you have all come here. So thanks for your presence and let us invoke God's blessings to give us all good health so that we will be able to continue our Rotary in the best possible way. And you people, all of you are the pillars for this year, for the incoming year. And when all of us join together, we will be able to do well. We will be able to continue our activities in the way it was done so long. நம்ம இதுவரை எல்லா PDGs-மே நிறைய சாதனைகள் சாதித்திருக்கிறார்கள். அதை பற்றி நமக்கு தெரியும். நல்லா நிறைய பேர் அவங்க கூட இருந்து இதுவரை நடத்தி இருக்கிறோம். So in the incoming year also, I think we will be able to do our best if all of us plan together, sit together and discuss together and adjust with one another. That is what is very important in Rotary. It is not, we have to accept the good points as well as some minus points. Everything should be adjusted, accepted, and then only we can just appreciate what is well done and we can always give encouragement to what can be done. So that is possible only when we are able to accept one another. So let us all feel that the importance of developing our friendship in the best possible way. அதான் ரொம்ப முக்கியம். அப்படி இருந்தால் தான் I think all of us will be able to work for the glory of Rotary, for the good of the society, for the improvement of our own club first, and for the development of RID 3212. All these can be done, will be possible only when we have a good heart to accept one another and to be together. Then now all of us are come here to know more and more about Rotary. நிறைய பேருக்கு நிறைய விஷயம் தெரியும். எப்படி as a chairman, how to lead the club, how to lead our committee. ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் வித்தியாசமான பல chairmanship will be given. And that is what is Rotary. So with that idea, only 1905 he started, Paul Hatch, when he started, he didn't organize lawyers association. He just wanted people from different areas, different professions, and with different thoughts, different age group, so that all these ideas can be pulled in to have a good result. That was his idea. So இப்போ நாம எல்லாரும் நிறைய வித்தியாசமான கிளப்ல இருந்து வித்தியாசமான ஆட்டிடியூடோட வித்தியாசமான டேலண்ட்ஸோட கூடியிருக்கிறோம். பலருக்கும் பல விதமான சாம்பியன்ஷிப் இஸ் given, not the same. It is only because maybe some of you are interested, some of you are பிடிக்காத ஒரு ஏரியாவாக கூட இருக்கலாம். But still, whatever responsibility is given to you, please accept it with delight, with wholeheartedness, so that you will be able to involve yourself with real commitment, involvement, and that is the way to enjoy the achievement at the end. So achievement must be ours. All of us can join only then we will be able to achieve the goal. So our incoming RI President has just told us to serve well so that we can bring changes in the world. So எல்லோருக்குமே மாற்றங்கள் விரும்புகிறோம். So variety is the spice of life. Everybody knows it. Boredom will be there if everything goes on in the same monotonous way. That is why all of us enjoy the variety in life. So பல மாதிரி changes, அதனால தான் நம்ம Rotary leadership is changing every year and that's why we are called as Rotary, is it not? So நம்ம கொடுத்திருக்க பதவிகள் நிறைய பேருக்கு பிடித்திருக்கலாம், பிடிக்காமல் இருக்கலாம். Whatever it is, try to do your best. Because நம்மளால் நமக்கு கொடுத்திருக்கிற இந்த லைஃப்ல கொடுத்திருக்க இந்த opportunity to live, opportunity to serve, opportunity to be the leader of Rotary, all these are given in such a way that we will do our best. So எல்லோருமே நம்மளால் முடிந்ததை நல்லா செய்வோம். இன்னைக்கு வந்திருக்கிற சீஃப் கெஸ்ட், when our trainer suggested me, asked me to invite him, when I called him, he immediately said yes. So thank you very much for your presence. அது மாதிரி சொன்ன டைமுக்கு அவங்க வந்துட்டாங்க. அவங்களுடைய லாட்ஜில் உட்காந்தாங்க. நம்ம கூப்பிட தான் நேரம் ஆச்சுது. பிகாஸ் we were waiting for people to gather. இந்த டைம்ல நிறைய பேர் வர்றது கஷ்டம். அதனால maybe many of you are very health conscious. And during this time, it is better to think of our health, because if we are healthy, we can always find ways and means of serving. No, we will get many more days to serve. We will be able to do our activities in the best possible way when we are healthy. So keep yourself healthy, and then only we can continue to do all the service activities in a good way. So Shekhar Mehta has really told us that we should do more and more, and then only we can grow more in both the ways. No? When we grow more, we will be able to do more, and when we do more also, we will be able to grow more. That all of us know. So when there is a growth only, it is a sign of life that everybody knows. So எல்லா விஷயத்திலையுமே we have to try to grow in membership, in a Rotary Foundation. எல்லா விஷயமே so membership growthக்கு நல்ல எக்ஸாம்பிளா நம்ம present governor is having a lot of new clubs. So let us all together think of having more membership, so that many more people will be a part of our activities, so that we will be able to do more projects for the betterment of the society wherever there is a need. So we must be able to lend a hand to it. So when we have more hands, there will be more people to serve the society. So let us think of that in that way, so that we will reach to the places where Rotary is not felt, not experienced, not known at all. So let us try to find out where we can sow the seeds of Rotary. So try to do that. It can be done only by our good words, thoughts and deeds. நம்ம நல்ல காரியங்களை நல்லபடியாக செயல்பட்டா நம்ம பார்த்து many more will enter, because every Rotarian should be a model, and very particularly for the youth. So when I joined Rotary family in 1975, when I was the charter president, I really admired our senior members of Rotary Club of Nagarkoil. Whenever they came to our school, conducting our interact meetings and that, I really admired. I wanted to be a Rotarian then onwards. Then it went on during my college life in Holy Cross College. Everywhere my club, my home club, Rotary Club of Nagarkoil members used to come and organize meetings and speak to us and guide us in many ways. So that has attracted me in many ways. So dear Rotarians, try to do your best in every way. The way you talk, the way you behave, the way you do things, the way you conduct the activities, the way you conduct your regular meetings, the way you carry out your service projects. All these will really impress, will attract the people who do not know Rotary at all. So try to do that in the best possible way, so that we will be able to get more and more Rotarians, more and more people to join the family of Rotary, so that we will be able to expand in a very good way, possible way, so that more and more things can be done for the good of us, and for also for the betterment of the club, and for the improvement of the society, and very much for the glory of Rotary. So my thanks to all of you for your presence, and my sincere thanks to all our officers who are here, and my thanks to our chief guest who has come all the way from Chennai. In a very simple and humble way, he accepted, and he came promptly collecting thanks. And the trainer is always there to guide me, to train me also in every way. And the trainer and our district general secretary always discuss about conducting all these activities, and that's the way to go together, not to cooperate, to discuss. And the Rotary Club at Chinaveli also has been cooperating very well, all the time discussing about today's program, and they are also doing very well, done well everything. So now if they do everything well, that is not the only thing to be there, no? So your presence, your august presence, your involvement, your participation and your contribution will only give us the best happiness. The reward and award will be on you. When you lend a hand, and when you make your presence, and when you show your participation fully, that will be the success of DGPS. So once again, thanks to all of you. Everything went on very well. எல்லாரும் நல்லா participate பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. So everything went on well, and my sincere thanks to the chairman, Rotarian Melchio, and also to the team which was working. நேற்று நாங்கள் வந்தது, நானும் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் செக்ரட்டரி வந்து பார்க்க வந்தோம். Sajna Thomas was also with us. நல்ல team work. That's the reason for today's success. It went on very well. So they were all together yesterday for many hours. They were all together. We were there for 2 hours here with them. அவங்க எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து நல்லா ஒர்க் பண்ணாங்க. So let us understand the fact that when we are together, we will be able to do everything in a very successful way. So all of you are going to work together. All of us are going to work together. So let us think in that way. Be together and work together and do everything in a very successful way. There is a proverb saying, God cannot be everywhere, that is why He created mothers. So we can take it in this way, God cannot be everywhere, that is why He created Rotarians. So let us think of ourselves in that way, the privileged people chosen by God and chosen by our society also to work very well for the betterment of our associate, our Rotary Club, and also for the goodness of the people. So எல்லாருக்கும் அவங்க கடமைகள் என்னென்னு நான் இப்போ கேட்டோம். இன்னைக்கு எல்லாரும் உங்களுக்கு நல்ல செஷன்ஸ் இருக்கிறாங்க. சின்சியர் தேங்க்ஸ் டு ஆல் our officers who have really taken pain to conduct the breakout sessions. நல்லாவே நடந்தது. நம்ம சுற்றிலும் பார்க்கும்போது ரொம்ப நல்லாவே நடந்துகிட்டே இருந்தது. ஸோ இதை நல்லா மனசுல வச்சு we will do, all of us can join together and do our best. Thank you very much.
Honoring for District Governor elect Rotary Jacinda Dharma.